session we will learn about selection sort. We will learn how to do the manual trace out of selection sort. In selection sort, we are going to use one variable called as minimum index, that is mean index. It represents the index of the minimum or smallest value in particular pass. Consider this is an unsorted array 190, 255, 30 and 60. So let's see how to perform the manual trace out of selection sort. First of all, by default the first value is your key value, that is here 100 is your key value, and now we are going to compare this key value with its subsequent value, that is mean index is initially let me write it as mi for mean index. So initially it is set at index 1, so key value is 100 and minimum index is at 1, that is 90. So compare these two values 100 and 90. Now 90 is smaller than 100, that's why the mean index is 1. Again, next time you have to compare the smallest value or the value at minimum index with subsequent value. Now compare 90 with 200, as 200 is greater than 90, mean index is at 90 only. Compare 90 with 45, then 45 is smaller than 90, so mean index will be now at 3. 45 with next value 30, again 30 is smaller than 45, so mean index is shifted at 30. Compare 30 with 60, 60 is greater than 30. So what is the smallest value? 30, and mean index will point out to 30, that is the value of minimum index is 4, the key value is 0, that is the index of the key value is 0. In pass 0, exchange these two values. So swapping will be done between the key value and the value minimum index value. So after pass 0, the situation becomes like this. Remaining values are as it is 100 and 60. So during pass 0 or the very first pass, the key value is exchanged, the 0th position value is exchanged with the smallest value in that array. So now we get during the first pass we get the smallest value. Now our key is transferred to the next index, that is index 1. So compare now the key value with next value. It's now minimum index will be at index 2. So compare these two values. Again 90 is smaller than 200. Then compare 200 with 45. 90 with 45. So 45 is smaller than 90. Then compare 45 with 100. Again 45 is smaller than 100. Compare 45 with 60. So the smallest value we find out during this particular pass is 45. Our key is at index 1, that is key is the 90. Key value is 90. Mean index will be at index 3. Now the exchange will be done between 90 and 45. So after pass 1, 30, the first value as it is, 45 is exchanged with 90, 200 as it is, 90 will be here, 100 and 60. Okay. Now, next pass is pass 2. So during first pass we get the first smallest value 30. During pass 1 we get the second smallest value 45. Now our key is 200. Minimum index will be at index 3. Now compare these two values. 90 is smaller than 200. Next compare 90 with 100. 90 is again smaller than 100. Compare 90 with 60. 60 is smaller. So minimum index will be at index 5. So exchange will be done between the minimum value of minimum index and key value. So 30, 45, 60, 90, 100 and 200. So during pass 2 we get the third smallest value, that is 60. So let's see next pass. It is pass 3. So now sequentially here key value 0, key value 1, key value 2. Now its number of key value third, that is 90 is your key value. Minimum index will be at next position, that is index 4. Compare these two. 90 is again smaller than 100, so minimum index will be at same location. Again 90 is smaller than 200. So during this pass no exchange will be done. So pass 3, 60, 90, 100 and 200. So next your pass 4. So during pass 4 our next key value is second last value, that is 100. Again compare the 100 with next minimum index, that is 5, fifth value 100. Compare 100 with 200. Again 100 is smaller than 200. So no exchange will be performed, and now our data is sorted completely. So in this way selection sort works. During each pass find out the smallest value and exchange with that particular, means pass 0 exchange with the zeroth value. In pass 1 exchange the smallest value with first value, pass 2 and so on. So in this way selection sort works.